Ready to upgrade your outdoor adventures? From portable water filters to comfy sleeping pads, tactical gear, and must-have travel gadgets, these top picks keep you safe, cozy, and prepared for anything. Whether you're camping, hiking, or road tripping, here's the gear you need to make every trip better. Pacifica Portable Automatic Pump Water Filtration System. Stay hydrated anywhere with the Pacifica Automatic Pump and Water Filtration System. Perfect for camping, hiking, or emergencies, this compact gadget removes bacteria and impurities from water, giving you safe drinking water on demand. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and built for rugged adventures. Just pump and drink. No complicated setup needed. Be ready for any situation and keep clean water close wherever your journey takes you. Wakeco Mini Presso NS Portable Espresso Machine. Enjoy rich espresso anywhere with the Wakeco Mini Presso NS. This hand-powered travel coffee maker uses original NS capsules and a simple piston action. No batteries or electricity needed. Just add hot water, pump, and savor a fresh shot of espresso. Its compact size makes it perfect for camping, road trips, or hiking. Start your day right with cafe-quality coffee in the great outdoors. Charcoal grill for 3 to 6 people. Grill delicious meals wherever you go with this portable charcoal grill. Its thick stainless steel construction retains heat well for tasty sears. Designed for 3 to 6 people, it folds and slides for easy transport and storage. The set includes a full barbecue toolkit, so you're always ready to cook up steaks, veggies, or burgers on the go. Perfect for backyard barbecues, beach parties, or camping adventures. Master Appliance VMAX 550 Propane Fire Starter Torch and Grill Gun Light. Fires fast with the Master Appliance VMAX 550 Torch and Grill Gun. Perfect for charcoal grills, campfires, or fire pits. This propane-powered blowtorch makes lighting up easy. Change nozzles to switch from searing meat to starting a cozy campfire in seconds. It's safe, portable, and built for outdoor fun. Say goodbye to lighter fluid and matches. Get a roaring flame every time. Iris use a Wuzu cordless portable personal fan. Stay cool anywhere with the Iris USA Wuzu portable fan. This 3.5-inch fan has a flexible tripod stand that wraps around tent poles, chairs, or trees. Enjoy up to 10 hours of runtime with 3 speeds, LED light, and a mosquito repellent tray. Recharge it easily with USB-C. It tilts 360 degrees for a perfect breeze, making it an ideal companion for camping, hiking, or relaxing outdoors. Men's Tactical Military Digital Watch. Be ready for anything with this tactical military digital watch. It's a 23-in-1 survival tool with a dual display, compass, paracord band, and waterproof design. Perfect for camping, hiking, or outdoor sports, this rugged watch combines analog and LED displays for clear timekeeping. Stay on track, navigate easily, and have essential tools right on your wrist when you need them most. iClimb Mini Solo Folding Table. Lighten your pack with the iClimb Mini Solo Folding Table. Ultra-light and compact, it's perfect for backpacking, hiking, beach trips, or picnics. Its sturdy design holds your gear, snacks, or coffee wherever you are. The folding legs make setup a breeze, and it packs down small to fit in your bag. Take comfort anywhere and keep your essentials off the ground while you enjoy the outdoors. Sleeping pad for adults. Sleep comfortably under the stars with this thick sleeping pad. Ideal for tents, cars, or truck beds, it provides cushioned support and insulation from the cold ground. It's easy to pack, comes with a removable travel bag, and inflates quickly. Lightweight yet durable, it's designed to keep you warm and comfy during camping trips, hikes, or festivals. Wake up refreshed and ready to explore. A Tepa Ultralight Backpacking Tent. Stay protected with the ATEPA Ultralight Backpacking Tent. This lightweight waterproof tent is built for 1 to 2 people and all seasons. Its durable nylon, sturdy aluminum frame, and rainfly handle wind and rain with ease. Perfect for solo hikers or couples, it packs down small for your backpack. Easy to set up and carry, it keeps you dry and cozy, whether you're camping in summer or winter. One Tigris Eco Pulse Portable Air Pump. Save your breath and time with the Tigris EcoPulse portable air pump. This USB rechargeable gadget quickly inflates your air mattresses, sleeping pads, pool toys, and more. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your backpack or camping kit. No more manual pumping after a long hike. Just press a button and relax. It even works for outdoor sofas or swimming gear, making it perfect for camping, beach days, or backyard fun. Stay comfy and spend less time setting up. Rockwood Natural Lump Charcoal Grill and smoke like a pitmaster with Rockwood Natural Lump Charcoal. This premium hardwood blend of oak, hickory, and cherry burns hot and clean for delicious, authentic flavor. Perfect for kettle and Kamado grills, it lights easily and burns longer than ordinary briquettes. Made in the USA with no additives or chemicals, just pure hardwood for rich, smoky goodness. Whether you're searing steaks or slow smoking ribs, this charcoal makes your barbecue unforgettable. Hisense and portable camping stove. Cook hearty meals anywhere with the Hisense portable camping stove. This 2-burner folding gas stove cranks out 20,000 BTUs and comes with adjustable burners, piezo ignition, a frying pan, kettle, and pot. It folds down neatly into its carry bag for easy transport. Perfect for camping, tailgating, or road trips. It sets up fast and delivers steady heat so you can whip up breakfast, lunch, or dinner outdoors. Built tough for rugged trips, it's your all-in-one outdoor kitchen in a bag. Memory sleeping pad. Sleep better outdoors with this ultra-thick memory sleeping pad. Its 3.1 inches of supportive foam and built-in pillow keep you cozy and warm through the night, even on rough ground. With a 9.5 R value, it insulates well for 4-season camping. Easy to inflate and deflate, it packs away quickly into your car or tent setup. Whether you're camping, backpacking, or road tripping, you'll wake up refreshed and ready for adventure. Enjoy home-like comfort and stay warm in any weather. Cleverade Pacifica Collapsible Insulated Cooler. Keep food and drinks ice cold with the Cleverade Pacifica Collapsible Insulated Cooler. This spacious, soft cooler holds up to 30 cans and folds flat when not in use. Its leak-proof liner keeps melted ice contained, while the sturdy shoulder strap and built-in bottle opener add convenience. Take it to the beach, on road trips, or for family picnics. Tigris EcoPulse portable air pump. Save your breath and time with the Tigris EcoPulse portable air pump. This USB rechargeable gadget quickly inflates your air mattresses, sleeping pads, pool toys, and more. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your backpack or camping kit. No more manual pumping after a long hike. Just press a button and relax. It even works for outdoor sofas or swimming gear, making it perfect for camping, beach days, or backyard fun. Stay comfy and spend less time setting up.